Hello, my name is Mike Riegler. I look after Infor's 3PL industry go-to-market activities for our supply chain management solutions that include Infor WMS and Infor Nexus. For years, our go-to-market theme has been more challenge, more complexity, more chaos, more opportunity. For our 3PLs, we're talking about growth. And with disruptions on the rise globally, this mantra is now on steroids, with 3PLs now looking to grow their business massively. In the 3PL space, we look after two primary service areas. One, we look after the international supply chain visibility and managed transportation services powered by a next-generation supply chain visibility network platform. Those services will include PO management, buyers consolidation, international supply chain visibility and control tower services, and increasingly 4PL and LLP services. That next generation visibility platform, that's Infor Nexus. Contract logistics service providers that run Infor Nexus and Infor WMS to provide value-added distribution and fulfillment services for multiple customers, for multiple industries, with multiple requirements and fulfillment channels. These services will include e-commerce and omni-channel fulfillment, cold chain logistics, and DC distribution center management and inbound transportation and outbound transportation services. That cloud solution is Infor WMS. With this focus, our 3PL customers include some of the greatest names in the industry: Allport Cargo Services USA, DB Schenker, DHL, Seva Logistics, FedEx Logistics, Kuehne Nagel, Saddle Creek Logistics, XPO, and UPS. With over 20 years experience delivering solutions in this industry, we stand out because we know what business success looks like for our 3PLs. And this knowledge of these business outcomes serves as our business anchor for the products that we build, the solutions that we deploy, and our service practices. But more importantly, they define our partnership success. In the end, the Infor 3PL story is one of growth. Our 3PLs have found that they've grown their EBITDA by 22%, have increased new customers by over 50%, and grown their transactions by 3 times. And one 3PL started at ground zero with us, 0 customers and 0 shipments. Today, they have nearly 30 customers and over 100,000 shipments on our platform. It truly is a great time to be an Infor 3PL. Thank you.
In my role at Infor, I'm responsible for understanding our customers' challenges in the supply chain management space and ensuring that we have a strong pulse on their supply chain related needs at the micro industry level. In this session, Monica and I will discuss a few of the challenges that we see when it comes to third-party logistics, the behind-the-scenes heartbeat of many supply chains. I will start with a few themes we see as top of mind for contract logistics. First, we realize that growing your business is always top of mind. Winning new business requires flexibility to meet requirements for a diverse set of industries and micro verticals managed in a single distribution center. Second, figuring out how to achieve rapid deployment of new software expedites value creation for 3PLs and your customers. Third, running the business must deliver reduced cost. The goal is to deploy a low-cost model that will run with little or no IT customization to reduce total cost of ownership. Costs can also be reduced by creating natural automation. Fourth, increasingly, we see targeted value-added and extended services for 3PL customers, including light manufacturing, kitting, and returns management. And finally, with a little bit of industry nuance, retail compliance is increasingly severe with bigger penalties around areas like labeling and ASN delivery. In addition to these opportunities, when we look at the Penn State annual 3PL study, we read that many shippers and 3PLs are still struggling to create a true omni-channel experience, with just 4% of shippers and 3% of 3PLs rating themselves as high-performing in omni-channel retailing in 2019. We have a significant opportunity to partner and improve in areas like overcoming challenges with wave planning, allocation, and picking flexibility, as well as labor management with prioritization functionality, and enabling reliable load management across unit of measure, unit orders, loads, which are challenged by each channel and constant changes. We invite you to connect with Infor to address these network-wide challenges.
The shipping environment today is marked by extraordinary volatility in demand and supply, evaporating carrier capacity, and radically altered consumer buying behaviors. Shippers need highly capable 3PL partners more than ever to help them with scalable capacity and alternative transportation strategies. Unfortunately, freight volumes to be managed may have dropped 15 to 20% or more from 2019 levels, and shippers are more focused on cash control than usual as they respond to unusual and uncertain economic conditions. In recent years, the industry has also seen the rise of new digital forwarding companies, winning customers away from established players with promises of user-friendly software, better visibility, and more transparent service and pricing offerings. Customer expectations have certainly changed. More visibility, more certainty, more technology innovation is expected from logistics service partners. A technology arms race of sorts has emerged among leading 3PLs with competitive differentiation based on IT assets and not simply on operating expertise and services scale. Global supply chains today are complex networks with multiple participants and stakeholders, chock full of unique processes and disparate business systems to connect with. In these complex ecosystems, it's not only costly to connect everyone, but it's virtually impossible to try and solve real-world problems when the parties involved are all working with multiple versions of the truth. But here's the secret of some of the world's leading global 3PLs. The Infor Nexus multi-enterprise business network platform has been helping them tame that connection complexity for their customers and deliver industry-leading digital visibility and control over their extended supply chains. Enterprises are increasingly turning to their lead logistics partners to help them make sense of all the data being generated across their supply chains. 4PL service offerings, the management of other 3PLs or carriers across a broader range of services, are projected to be the highest growth area for LSPs over the next 2 years. It's certain that both traditional 3PLs and emerging 4PL practices will need to have analytics and business intelligence as core competencies. The good news is that Infor now offers the powerful and highly flexible Burst platform for business analytics to logistics service providers. This world-class, cloud-based business intelligence application can reach across internal and external systems and empower LSPs to deliver the striking data visualization and new insights that their customers have been looking for. Thank you.
As a leader in the warehousing space, Infor WMS is designed to streamline your warehouse operations and really help you achieve that perfect order fulfillment at lowest possible cost for your customers. Now, whether you're running a completely manual warehouse for your customers or a highly automated one, Infor WMS can optimize your warehouse space, increase the throughput through your warehouse, and really get to that 100% inventory accuracy for your customers. The functional depth and breadth of Infor WMS allows you to serve customers in diverse group of industries, such as food distribution, cold storage, high-tech electronics, fast-moving consumer products, healthcare, e-commerce warehouses, and many more. Besides the advanced warehousing management functionality in Infor WMS, it also has a best-in-class billing module, which allows you to do transactional-based billing for the services you provide to your customers. And with automatic upgrades on cloud, you can get continuous innovation to keep up with the demand of your customers. And with WMS on cloud, you can onboard your customers very quickly and provide a faster time to value to your customers. The new extensibility toolkit really allows you to fine-tune your warehouse operations to exact needs of your customers. Infor WMS, your partner in warehousing and moving your warehouse forward.
To further highlight how Infor Nexus and our roadmap is aligning with top industry priorities, I'll call out 2 points from the 3PL study Mike referred to earlier, illustrating what success looks like for 3PLs. Point number 1. At a manufacturing facility, lost time is lost revenue, and in many cases, there's no makeup opportunities. If the line stops, you're in trouble. Logistics providers are focused on inbound visibility, so all parties know what is needed, what is coming, and when it will arrive. Point number 2. The top methods shippers and 3PLs use to mitigate and manage supply chain disruptions are supply chain visibility tools and partnerships. Both 3PLs and shippers agree in high percentages that they plan to invest in their supply chain disruption, mitigation, and response capabilities within the next 2 years. In other words, visibility and control towers. The good news is that a global end-to-end visibility network backed up by strong international transportation execution systems is in the cloud with a single version of the truth is core to our solution development from the GT Nexus start in 1999. And LSPs have been our earliest customers, guiding us to build a solution that grows their business. At a high level, let me describe the solution. The 3PL core solution offers complete end-to-end process coverage globally. Participants include suppliers, customers, 3PLs, and carriers across modes, all on the same network as our enterprise customers, allowing 3PLs to grow revenues and strategic relationships. We offer end-to-end process coverage with our interconnected applications, including order management with suppliers, transportation planning and execution, including ocean booking and shipping instructions, carrier status updates, including final mile, customer visibility down to the product and SKU level. Key innovation areas to deliver value include IoT-enabled real-time visibility to ocean vessels, airplanes, trucks, and sensors, use of artificial intelligence for predictive ETA to final destination, not just a port, and collaborative issue management and resolution. In addition, we have continued user experience focus on such areas as user configurable homepage dashboards and exception monitors. Infor Nexus's control center to enable 4PL and LLP services is the number one growth area expected for the 3PL industry in the next 2 years. It's a single network solution to manage massive and complex supply chains. It offers advanced macro-level orchestration and visualization across 3PLs and supply chain partners, supported by micro-level execution and control.
Today, I want to talk around analytics for 3PLs. Why is analytics for 3PLs important? First is to bring out insights from the data chaos that 3PLs live with across their network. We strive to quickly be able to gain data in a very rapidly ever-changing environment today within the 3PL environment. And being able to get at that data and quickly be able to make decisions on it is most importance for 3PLs today. We find over 3/4 of 3PLs suppliers are investing into predictive analytics so that they can respond faster to shipping demands and to be able to react to the changes in demand patterns within their network. We also find that improving automation for greater accuracy and efficiency for both Infor and non-Infor data is a key problem that needs to be able to solve, and why you want to have analytics in play to help address this, which as a cause will increase timeliness and accessibility of information, which should drive more self-service analytics for 3PLs. The ability to effectively share data between shippers and 3PLs is also a common problem. What is Infor Analytics? Infor Analytics is a fully cloud multi-tenant solution which provides industry-leading role-based content for best-of-breed KPIs and data models. As an example, with our enterprise asset management solution, we have a full analytics package that goes with that really drives insights for our customers. We personalize this with our smart AI generated insights that provides you the ability to do one-click analysis and be able to provide that full self-service integrated capabilities. We are embedded where you work, which provides you the in-context analytics at a point of decision. We also are extensible beyond Infor data With our patented automated data refinement and our cloud connectors, this allows us to conquer the complexity of data chaos that most 3PLs deal with on a daily basis. And finally, we are data analytics as a service so that you can provide for that ever rapidly changing environment very quickly and be able to get data in the hands of your stakeholders very quickly to make decisions upon that. With our fully cloud managed connectivity framework, our one-click migration for live access, our modern RESTful API connectors, which allow for fast, reliable, and reusable and extendable solutions for other cloud connected solutions that you may need to bring in your disparate network. We also can handle any number of files, spreadsheets, cloud applications, and other databases. All of this is to bring in and reduce the necessity for IT dependability and to reduce your overall cost and time to market.
I'd like to spend a few minutes talking to you today about product roadmap. I'm going to start with Infor WMS. We're now using artificial intelligence for product slotting, warehouse reconfiguration. That incorporates data such as product velocity, historical transaction, and even forecast data. We've added a whole suite of RESTful APIs for easy integration to external software and automation technologies such as pick-to-light systems, robotics, sortation, and others. We spent some time and effort enhancing the integration with other Infor Cloud Suite solutions, enabling more value-added and extended services for your customers, especially around the areas of light manufacturing, kitting, and returns. One of the really new cool features of Infor WMS is the yard visibility functionality. This gives you visibility of inbound and outbound trailer and vehicle movements in your yard, beyond the four walls of the warehouse. We're also now deploying Infor WMS using the Infor Agility deployment methodology. This is delivering faster time to value, and it's much more focused on business success as opposed to just simply project success. This is more reliable, more precise, and gives you an accelerated access to the project deliverables. Infor Nexus, we've added a whole suite of visibility tools. Now we believe this is truly a multi-dimensional visibility capability, increasing sense and respond capabilities across the board. We believe agility is better than simply forecasting. So taking data from IoT and other unstructured and external data for items such as risk actually gives that multi-dimensional visibility more value. With that value, the capability to make better decisions faster based on real situations that otherwise wouldn't have been visible within your supply chain. We've looked at the user experience, driving efficiency and differentiation. We've done other incremental enhancements that drive core operational efficiencies, simply making the screen easier to use, less clicks, more intuitive. We've also improved interoperability with Infor Nexus Enterprise customers to drive competitive advantage for all of our 3PL customers. And we've done some work on data quality improvements. We've partnered up with DCSA, the Digital Container Shipping Association, and working with them on data standards and generally improving data quality across the board. Let's flip over to Burst and Data Lake. So we've worked on improving the agility and the capability of consuming other data sources, and a big focus on unstructured data. So data that may not be like in a database format or in structured formats such as Excel, but still being able to leverage that unstructured data, bring it onto the platform, merging it with other structured data, giving you better insights into what's going on. Also tools to make it easier and faster to unify data, and that helps you make better decisions. And driving decisions is the key. Understanding data as an asset, informing accuracy, and again, that leads to greater agility, the ability to respond and react to situations as they occur. A use case for that is really around fleet management, where we're leveraging some telematics data and other data from from various sources.
You heard all the investments we made in our industry-focused Cloud Suite solutions. I will give you a brief overview on the investments we're making in services to help our customers realize the value and take advantage of all the innovations we're making to the product. Last year at Inforum, we launched Infor Agility with one sole purpose: provide faster time to value for our customers. I'm happy to share that we made tremendous progress in the last year. We had 3 key tenets when we launched Infor Agility. 1, we never start a project with a clean sheet of paper. We always bring Infor's point of view for that industry to help customers get started with the project. Second, we focus on giving quicker wins or go-lives to our customers, embracing agile principles versus big bang and prolongated projects. Third, go-live is just the start of the journey with our customers, not the end. In order to make those tenets successful, we've invested in a few things. We launched next-generation implementation accelerators that comes with industry process models, tools, templates, methodology that goes with it, and also automated testing, task subscriptions, task services, so that our customers can quickly regression test our applications. We also created a very unique framework called 60-30-10. This framework allows our customers to look at all the business processes that are needed to support their business, yet focus on the processes that are most critical for them. We firmly believe not all business processes are created equal. So the 60-30-10 framework helps our customers focus on the 60% that are core, that they can use out of the box or adopt out of the box, and then really focus on the 30, which is configured or tweaked, and 10 that are unique. We've successfully used this model. In fact, some of our customers were able to achieve 90% out of the box using the 60-30-10 framework. We know that Go Live is just the start of the journey, so we created managed services offerings to help our customers once they're in the cloud to continue to take the innovations we're putting into the product. In addition, we launched Infor Process Intelligence, which allows our customers to measure, to monitor their business processes with their actual transactional data, and then assess the processes that they have to continue to improve, automate, and do a continuous improvement process. Finally, we've invested and trained several Infor and partner resources, and we continue to train them so that they can come and help our customers take advantage of all the investments we're making in Infor Agility. Thank you for your time.
I'm Mark Illich. I'm the Vice President and General Manager of Infor Supply Chain Solutions here in Europe. In Europe, we have a lot of the leading LSPs in our market. When you look at the Magic Quadrant, a lot of those LSPs actually use one or more of Infor solutions. In fact, all but one of them are using Infor. They're using Infor to innovate and differentiate their solutions over their competitors. This is allowing them to grow and to gain more market share. But we don't want to stop there. Our continued investment in rapid, low-risk deployment options using Infor Agility will further help lower the cost to serve and also reduce the time to deployment. So let's talk a little about the customers of 3PLs. Like never before, global companies are reaching out to 3PLs for technology enablement, innovation, and looking to continuously reduce their supply chain costs year over year. In the market today, we see that your customers' demands make a technology path mission critical, whether it is addressing a niche service through to the transformational challenge of running your customer's supply chain as a 4PL. For over 20 years, our service of quality, expertise and commitment have been at work here at Infor to create technical solutions that have enabled global network commerce. For example, the incredible Infor Nexus story giving visibility into the $1 trillion of annual global trade. Or 3PLs already managing over 1,000 customer warehouses using Infor WMS. The best of breed business intelligence solution Burst, giving real-time analysis to many businesses around the world. And last but by no means least, our market-leading enterprise asset management solution. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we look forward to working with you in the near future. Thank you very much.